Hello, everyone. Today we're highlighting the Data Library and Data Connect tool as part of Strata Platform's data analytics application, SiteShepherd. In addition to importing property data from our data collection software, Lasso, data analytics subscribers also receive access to the SiteShepherd data library that consists of location data from 11 public data sources that includes data from 26 datasets and 220 data points for no additional fee that includes demographic data, workforce data, and more accessible directly in your account and updated by the Strata Platforms team on a regular basis. To get started, let's take a look at the SiteShepherd data library, which you can access by clicking your name and then selecting Data Library from the dropdown. Over to the left, we're going to click on SiteShepherd Data Library. This is where you can review a list of all data points available listed in alphabetical order. Additionally, you can utilize the search tool at the top of this list to quickly locate a data point. Additionally, you can filter your data points by a couple of ways. The first option is to filter by categories. So for example, if we'd like to filter our data points to only list those assigned to the business environment category, we can select that category to see that filtered list of data points. The second option is to filter data points by source. So once you click on Search by Source, you will then get a list of data sources that the data points come from, at which point, again, you can click on a source to see a filtered list of data points from that data source. Now, let's move to a demo project and connect some criteria in the project to data points from the SiteShepherd data library. We're going to navigate over to the My Projects tab, and we're going to select the project that we'd like to assign these data points to criteria. Once in the project, we're going to select the Project Setup option and then select Data Connect tool. The Data Connect tool lets you view your project's data model in a list format. To assign a data point here, open a primary category, such as demographic and workforce, and then locate the desired secondary and tertiary categories. To add a data point, over here to the right, click the Add option for the criteria you wish to assign a data point. In this pop-up, you can click this drop-down to see a list of available data points, or you can use the search prompt at the top to quickly filter your list of data points. Once you've selected your data point, the last step is to assign the geographical level that we will be pulling the data from. In this example, we're going to select county. Once done, you can then click Save to assign the data point. If you want to save time, you can also set the default geographical level, like county, for your data pools in the Data Connect tool. This way, the geographical level selection in the pop-up window will automatically default to county unless the selected data point isn't available at that level. In that case, it will default to the next most granular level. Once all your criteria are connected, it's time to initiate a data pool. In the Data Connect tool, click Get Data in the top right corner. With the pop-up presented, if you select Get Data by default, it will update all of your locations in your project and data model with the data point that has been assigned to your criteria. However, if you wish to only update certain locations, you can select those locations in the Locations list prior to clicking Get Data. Once you've made your selection, click Get Data, and then your data model for your project will be updated with the data point assigned from the data library to your criteria. Of course, if you'd like to also refresh your scores in your WANT analytics, you can click the Refresh Scores option to initiate this update. If you have any questions on assigning data points from the data library to your projects, please contact the Strata support team by emailing support@strataplatforms.com.